Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vanessa, Nessa, Sessa, V, Yaya, Boo, all of the above depending who you are. And today's video is going to be a little DIY. I am trying to random idea that came to me when I was in IKEA. Is it called canopy? I don't know if it's called canopy, but where there's like net around your bedding. I'm trying to do that, and the idea is to do it at a cheaper price, so hopefully under $20. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing that today. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. If this video is up, that means it turned out good. I bought these things from IKEA. There were curtains, like the knitted curtains that go all the way down to the floor. I bought 3 of them. There's 2 pairs in one, and they were $4.99 each. So I picked up 3 of these because I have this thing above my bed, so I wouldn't need the front part. And then these I already had at home, so I'm not really sure what this will cost you. You could probably pick it up at Michael's. But this little screw thing has like a hoop on there, and I'm going to use a twine to loop the curtain. So yeah, just watch what I'm doing. I'm not really teaching you guys, you're kind of doing it with me. If you like this sort of content, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks much, Bob. That means a lot. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that way you get an alert when I upload a video. It's free. And let's jump into the video.
What is the matter with you?
I'm gonna use this stick from my broom, and I'm gonna tie the rope around here and then just pass it in that way. I think that'll be a lot easier. Dumbass. Grab it and loop it. Okay, so we went and put out a drill. I'm about to drill a hole in the wall, and then I'm trying to put one of these white things there. I don't know what they're called, so I could put a screw in there so it could be a bit more secure. So let's try and see if that works.
Take care of me. Talk all night, then we just fall too deep. Said you want me, but that talk is cheap. I need your mental emphasis, baby. I need you to take care of me. Take care of me. Take care of me. Of me. Of me.
Okay, guys. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but my ceiling is like right here. I have a very low ceiling, so ideally these will be perfect for any normal bedroom, but for mine they're way too long. They're literally dragging on the floor. So I am just going to cut a little bit off. I wanted to hit the floor.
No time to play your games. I would've made you mine, now I need space.
I think you should fuck with me, yeah. Judging from the look on your face, yeah.
So put these hoes aside.
In their place, yeah. So is you down the ride, what do you say? I would've made you mine, but it's too late. Cause we can get it kicking like a slow cane. I would've made you mine, but it's too late. I think about you all the time. Baby girl, I like the way we vibe. I just wanna be with you and not waste any time. Wonder why did all these guys leave you behind? Perfect in my eyes, one day I'll make you my wife, yeah. I'm gonna do some things and I don't wanna press rewind. Can we stop the arguing cause I don't wanna fight? I always catch myself just getting lost inside her eyes. I'm getting lost inside your eyes. Fuck all night, then we
Just fall to sleep.
said you want me, but
That
that's
talk is cheap.
I need you mental emphasis, baby.
Stimulate me. Take care of me.
Okay guys, so that wraps up the video. The process, as you can see, was a couple of attempts to get it right, but it was actually very easy. And after I did it, there's a lot in it that I realized that I could have saved myself some issues. But anyways, trial and error, and you kind of learn. And I really love it. It's a couple of days now that or probably like a week. It's been a week, and I am about to post this video, and I just want to record an outro just to wrap everything up, everything that I used. So there's the curtains, which are $4.99, and I use a total of 6 screws. So you need, I don't know why I did this, you need 6 screws, and I use a drill. The drill made it very, very easy. If you don't have a drill, you will need a screwdriver, which makes it a bit more harder to screw. I'm in the basement, so I needed to drill a hole in the ceiling because I needed grip. Yeah, so if you do end up trying this technique to create yours, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. So yes, my Instagram is right here. That's where you can find me. all the time. I post stuff on there, and I'm starting to post a bit more workout. If you guys actually want to see some workout videos, off topic. So yes guys, I am gonna talk to you guys when I talk to you. On the little side note, I am waiting to order my light because I need a light to record, because I'm in the basement. I barely have any windows except for this tiny little window that I'm standing in front of right now, but I'm waiting for my light to come in so I can record a video. So in the meantime, I will see you guys on Instagram if you want to keep up with me. And yeah, stay humble. I'll catch you when I catch you. Bye. Side note, I recorded that whole video on my iPhone.